I'm playing Uncle Max as if he were a 00 agent in a pre-James Bond world. I'm making him as wordly smart and irresistible. What about you? How are you playing your character?
Well, as you know, I'm playing the sexy maid.
Actually, I don't think that the script calls for her to be sexy.
Well, the way that I'm playing Frau Schmidt is sexy. I'm sexy, so I'm playing her as sexy.
You think?
What's that supposed to mean?
Nothing. Just. No, nothing at all, really. Well, actually, I just think that you should be challenging yourself as an actor. Maybe this maid could be dull and unattractive.
You think it would be challenging to play dull and unattractive? You think that it would be a good stretch for me as an actor? You really think I should play a boring character?
Sure, why not?
Because your Uncle Max already has that covered. You think you're a James Bond? As if. How dare you suggest I could ever play anything less than beautiful? It has to be realistic.